Good afternoon everyone, and thank you a lot for joining me today during my presentation. My name is Alexey Cherkasov. I'm a marketing director in Leapers Semiconductor company, and today I will present you our latest development in silicon carbide, and our E-series silicon carbide power modules in particular. But in the beginning, let me first introduce to you Leapers Semiconductor company, so you could have a full picture of who we are and where we come from. Leapers Semiconductor was established in 2019. Our headquarters is located in Wuxi, China. This city is famous for its semiconductor industry. Our first manufacturing facility is located there as well, but we also have a Japanese site presented there by our R&D and production line. They are located in Kumagaya. Leapers Semiconductor is comprised of experienced professionals. Our team has long years experience working in companies like Mitsubishi Electric, Onsemi, Infineon, Toshiba, Sanyo Semiconductor, and many other well-known industry players. In Leapers Semiconductor, we focus on silicon carbide power devices. However, we are not just limited to it, and we also have an IGBT modules product line. With our power semiconductors portfolio, we serve such industries like automotive, rail, renewables, power grid, medical, aerospace, and many others. Our product families include most popular industry packages with several unique designs of our own. Nowadays, end applications of power semiconductors and silicon carbide in particular tend to set and update on a regular basis its challenges for the manufacturers of power devices. All power semiconductors manufacturers have to deal with electrical, thermal, and mechanical design challenges. DC strain inductance, parasitic conduction, multiple chip parallel, low thermal resistance, and so on and so forth, all push power semiconductor manufacturers to provide their solutions which correspond to these requirements. And in Leapers Semiconductor, we respond to all of them. To produce silicon carbide power modules, we use low inductance packaging, advanced welding connection technology, silver sintering, and much more. And our latest E-series power modules are no exception. As we all know, today many consider solar power as the most preferable because it produces no noise, harmful emissions, or polluting gases. Modular systems can be installed anywhere with installation cost relatively low. Besides, minimal maintenance is required to keep the system running. However, there are many challenges solar power faces, and the major one is weather conditions. Weather changes lead to fluctuations in power supply generated by the solar panels. Efficiency of the solar panels themselves play a very important role. And of course the efficiency of the solar inverter, converting direct current from the solar panels to alternating current before transmitting it to the grid, is of top priority. And no solar inverter can work without power semiconductors. And the more efficient power semiconductors are used, the less power losses the whole photovoltaic system has. And at Leapers Semiconductor we have a perfect fit. Leapers Semiconductor E-series are 100% compatible with all existing in-the-market offers, giving the engineers a great chance to easily switch to our advanced silicon carbide solutions. During the benchmark series performed against the top solutions offered by the competitors, Leapers Semiconductor modules proved to provide better overall performance. E-series have higher isolation voltage, junction temperature, comparative tracking index, just to list a few. The flagship in the series 150 amps power module has no alternatives. Compared with available in the market similar packages, it has 6 press-fit pins, which is possible because of the special epoxy technology used by Leapers Semiconductor. Leapers Semiconductor E-series silicon carbide power modules are perfect fit for solar inverters, with its high-grade silicon nitride AMB substrates that combine best mechanical robustness with excellent heat dissipation properties, featuring very high power densities. Besides, for E2 series modules, we offer a proprietary demo driver board to facilitate customers' need to test and simulate the performance of the silicon carbide modules and to provide a quick substitution solution. With the power cycling test performed, we can see that Lippert semiconductor modules have a much longer lifetime compared to the top solutions offered by the competitor companies. For E-series silicon carbide power modules, we use convex-shaped substrates. When the modules are mounted to the heatsink, they have a better contact and lower thermal resistance. As can be seen, both E0 and E2 power modules have low thermal resistance and strong current output capability. Another important component we use, epoxy resin. Today silicon gel and epoxy resin are the most commonly used potting materials for power semiconductor modules. The epoxy resin has prominent performance and has been widely used in Japan with a proven performance track by Japanese manufacturers. However, it is mainly used in automotive and solar applications due to various limitations like price. Unlike silicon gel, the epoxy resin is solid when cured and holds the bonding wires, chips, solder layers and ceramic substrates tightly, while suppressing mechanical fatigue caused by hot and cold expansion between materials. Thermal and power cycle test of power modules with epoxy resin proved to be much better compared to the modules that use silicon gel. Another very important feature of the epoxy resin is that the epoxy resin modules have better resistance to humidity than silicon gel, which tends to absorb moisture from the air, and this can cause corrosion of the aluminum coating on the chip surface under harsh operating conditions and affect voltage resistance. Besides, epoxy resin is rigid and solid after potting. It covers the ceramics and terminals in the power module, the stress is evenly distributed, and there is no issue of cracking or peeling. In contrast, power modules sealed in silicon are prone to DCB cracking and other issues due to the elastic nature of the silicon, particularly for small packaged modules like E-series. Well, this is it for my presentation. You can find more information about Lippert Semiconductor and our silicon carbide solutions at our website or in LinkedIn. You can also reach me in LinkedIn as well. Thank you a lot for your time and attention. Have a great day.